Hey everyone, it's Shakira. Welcome back to Glow Beauty Wellness here on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a really simple meal prep video, and this is going to be featuring Performa. This is going to be for those of you that work, that travel, and that want to take your healthy food on the go. So really simple, organic head of cabbage, one head of cabbage. I'm also using some cremini mushrooms, shiitake, and some snow peas. So this is going to be really simple. All you're doing is sauteing all of the vegetables together. Don't you even dare judge me about my tea kettle. I know that I need to clean that one or get a new one, but that is not what this video is about. And so I simply season these vegetables with garlic, minced garlic, and everything bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. Everything tastes better in a cast iron skillet. So this chicken has been marinating for a day, and I am going to sear or brown the chicken in herbed butter that I got from Trader Joe's. If you look to the right, you can see it to the right. And so just gonna flip or add more garlic, and then I'm just gonna flip and let it cook on low after I brown. The vegetables are almost done or practically done at this point. I'm just adding more garlic powder because I'm obsessed with garlic. Okay, so after the vegetables are cooked, I'm just putting them all and evening the servings of vegetables for each container. I'm also putting in some raw veggies, and now after the chicken is set for a little bit, I put it into the containers with the vegetables. Now, if you wanted to add carbs to this, you could add carbs. Remember that you get carbs from your vegetables, so this type of meal is plenty for me, and in fact, I ended up eating 2. If you work out a lot, then you know you're gonna want to eat more. You're probably gonna want to add some sort of carb like a sweet potato, brown rice, or something like that to make this more filling. But if your goal is weight loss and you eat too much as it is, this is probably enough for you, your 6 meals a day. In terms of the performance of our meal prep containers, everything snapped on easily, everything stacked easily in the refrigerator, so there's no problem. These containers are BPA free, and they don't have all the toxic stuff that we do not want when it comes to microwavable containers. But this is the finished. Oh, these are the vegetables finished. I definitely didn't take a picture with the protein in it. And this is how they stack up in your refrigerator. This is going to be, I just want to show you all how easily everything stacks up in your bag. You also have, again, that pouch in the front of the bag, so it makes it easy to unzip either from the top or from the front of the bag. Now you are ready to go to work. You have your healthy meals, work or school. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye. And just in case you're wondering, my weight loss journey, my little mini weight loss journey is going really well. I'm going to do a video updating you all. Probably the next video that I upload will be about my personal, what I'm doing in order to trim down and slim down, because the summer is coming, you guys, and so get ready now. Summer 2020 is mine, so next video we'll talk more about this. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.